Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best strategy to track spendings through Cash App. Alright, so the best strategy to track spending through Cash App is consistency and intentional reviews. Use transaction notes on every payment to label what exactly the money was spent on, such as food, transport, or subscriptions. This turns your activity feeds into a usable spending log rather than just a simple list of transfers. Review your transaction history weekly to identify patterns and, of course, unnecessary expenses. Enable notifications so that every transaction is visible in real time, preventing unnoticed spendings. For deeper insights, periodically export or manually record transactions into a spreadsheet or budgeting app. Regular reviews and not constant checking is exactly what spending tracking effectively and sustainable. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.